Hello everyone. So these are the files that come with our standard model project in C. It includes a backup file which consists of the bin file where we have stored the data, so that if we by chance modify it, we do not have to retype all those data. It consists of our reference 800 pixel standard model of elementary particle physics. It consists of an audio file which we have included with the animation project, and some bin files which are used. This is the credit to the authors of this project file, and this is the screen print. I'll make you see. So this is the screen print. This also comes inside the project when you run it. You can change everything here. And so this is our source file, and this is the application of the source file. This is the object file. So let's get to the codes. So this is the codes. There are total, I think there are total of 1106 lines in this project. One thing you need to know it first about this project is that we have included the multimedia system.h, system.h, and we have included the audio file as well. So the first thing you need to do before you run this program is go to settings, go to compiler, go to linker settings, and in other linker options you need to type this -LWINMM and click on OK. You will not have this preset early. You have to write -LWINMM and hit on OK. So we have made functions of everything we have done in this file, for view, data entry, data edit, actual standard model. Very easy form of coding and very easy to watch it as well. And we have our animation file in music is our animation file. You can check and edit this or learn from here as well. If you get any sorts of questions, so you can mail us at thenbsfactor@gmail.com. and this is the login screen we have made. So let's check the project now. Remember, it runs in full screen. Okay, let's say this. So this one is the animation. The sound is quite short here. It is because I have not included the adequate amount of timing in the sound file. You can check how much time the animation goes for in your PC. It varies from PC to PC, I want to tell you that. And just edit this one. You have to press any key to continue. Okay, here you go. This is the control panel, and if you type here admin, you get to the admin panel. If you type user and any wrong password, then it goes red. You press enter to retry. Enter the username as user, and password is password. WORD. Press hit enter. Login successful. You go to the admin panel. You can reset and retype all data, edit any mistakes in your data, add more data, go to info mode, view data. So first let's view data. So this is the data we have added in our standard model of particle physics. Hit enter. You can go to other as well, but that will modify our main file, and that is not my intention right now. But once you have downloaded this project file, you can do that as well. So go to I for info mode, and this is the one, and this has been made without using Graphics.h, all by using the ASCII codes of various characters. So this is our mass charge, spin, quarks, leptons, and this is our standard model of particle physics. You can find these all which I have done in one of the functions we have made in C. I don't actually remember right now what was the function name. You can go and search the particle on the basis of name or charge or spin. I'll search in the basis of charge and 0. So these are the charge which have 0 charge, and in this way you can get all those data, and then you can do search on the basis of other facts as well. Type any other key to go to control panel. Remember that we do not have any cursor. I will show you why we do not have any cursor shown in the internet privilege. So I type P and I got enter. So I am now in the control panel. So if I go directly to info mode, which is for the general user, I will go and land on what happened. Sorry, I think I double pressed. So this is our info mode, and now I don't need to stay here. I will press any other key to go to control panel. I will press space and I'm here in the control panel. So now what you need to do, I will exit the program, and here comes again the animation. So this animation is one of the, I think, main source of attraction for this project. You have to calculate the time, how much time it takes for this project, for this animation to take place, and keep an audio accordingly. We do not have that sufficient audio included right now. Okay, so something I need to tell you, this one is for full screen, and let me check. This F border is for the borders you see in our sides. This one is also for the border. Remember that you need to, for this title border, F border, and F border, you need to adjust the values of these functions. I know you can do that. You need to adjust the values because I have put the border according to the resolution of my PC, and that may not be the same as yours. So you need to change some values. That is very easy. You will find that when you download this project, and you can go and edit those. That's very simple. But if the resolution of your PC is of my PC, then that will not be any problem. Okay, and the audio file should be in the same folder where you have the source file, and that's it. You can go and download this project. You can go and download this project from the link in the description. Okay, that's all for today. If you get into any problems, you can mail us at thenbsfactor@gmail.com. Thank you.